Daily use simple English sentences with Urdu translation. Let's start. मैं वहाँ कई बार गया हूँ. I have been there many times. I have been there many times. तुम मुझसे क्यों जलते हो? Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me? Jealous के मानी है जलना. ये बात उसने खुद मुझसे कही थी. She herself said this to me. She herself said this to me. मैं यही कहना चाहता था. This is what I wanted to say. This is what I wanted to say. इतना गुस्सा अच्छा नहीं है. This much anger is not good. This much anger is not good. Anger की मानी है गुस्सा. मैं कभी कनाडा नहीं गया. I have never visited Canada. I have never visited Canada. आप किसी हद तक दुरुस्त हैं. You are right up to some point. You are right up to some point. तुमने सब कुछ बगाड़ दिया है. You have screwed up everything. You have screwed up everything. ये जगह रहने के लिए मौजू नहीं है. This place is not suitable for living. This place is not suitable for living. Suitable की मानी है मौजू. Not suitable गैर मौजू या मौजू ना होना. क्या वो चला गया है? Has he gone? Has he gone? मैंने अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. ये ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. ये एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. तुमने अच्छा काम किया है. You did a good job. You did a good job. ये आपका फर्ज है. It's your duty. It's your duty. मैं आपसे मुत्तफिक नहीं हूँ. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Agree की मानी है मुत्तफिक होना. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. बादल गरज रहा है. Cloud is thundering. Cloud is thundering. वो लड़खड़ा रहा था. He was stammering. He was stammering. तुम बहुत जिद्दी हो. You are so stubborn. You are so stubborn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.